Before I start, please press the likes button. If you touch, then here I go. What are your 2 wishes for this year? I have 2 wishes. Do you want to know what it is? Then follow me. First, I want to be rich this year. Then I can do anything with that money. Many people wish to go on vacation, but that is something that is only possible you are rich. So I want to be rich. For example, families' good health can make by hospital care. But how can we get hospital care? Money. It's money. All things are solved with money. So I wanted to be rich at this year. My second wish is to get great grades at academics and schools, because my parents are expecting me to get good grades and I don't want to disappoint them. And if I get good grades, I'm also happy and proud. Also, grades can't get by money, and if I have so these 2 wishes are connected with. To summarize, I want to be rich and I want to get good grades. Did this solve your curiosity? I will pray for you to fulfill your wishes. That's all. Thank you, and don't forget to press like button. Thank you for listening.